We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the base verb. To fight, as in to fight for your life. The past tense or past simple is pronounced as fought. Fought, as in he fought against the wind yesterday. Fought. The past participle is also pronounced as fought. So overall, fight, to fight, fought, fought, fight, fought, fought. Here is a video for you to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs. Watch and listen to improve your English. Stay tuned to the channel to continue learning and improve and practice. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching.